land area, it means there are several reasons that obstacle them, that restrict them to raise their farming production or farm production. Why? To land area under cultivation is particularly fixed. Since 1960 in Palampur, there has been no expansion in land area under cultivation. It means land area is fixed, land area is limited, that cannot be expanded. Do you know that land area cannot be expanded quietly? Only we can change some wasteland, or we can convert to some wasteland under cultivation. It means it is not expansion of land resource. It means changing in the type of land. That's why land is fixed. By then, some of the wastelands in the village had been converted to cultivate land. There exists no further scope to increase farm production by bringing new land under cultivation. Dear students, how do we measure land in our locality? Then the standard unit of measuring land is hectare. Students, what is? Now question rises here that what is a standard unit for measuring land? So hectare is a standard unit for measuring land. Though in the village you may find land area being discussed in local units such as bigha, guintha or kattha, etc. 1 hectare equals to the area of a square with one side measuring 100 meters. It means 100 square meters of land is equal to 1 hectare. Can you compare the area of a 1 hectare field with the area of your school playground? You measure your school playground and find in hectare of your school playground. Thus we see that land area is about fixed, not limited. It cannot be expanded. Dear students, now question rises here that how can we grow, how can we produce more crops on this limited area of land? Dear students, several facilities we require to produce more crops and more on the same land. As first of all, we require irrigation facilities to to produce more on the same land. Second is multiple cropping. Multiple cropping is a method through which we can grow more on the same land. Now, you can ask a question, sir, what is multiple cropping? So, growing more crops or more than one crops on the same land in an agricultural season is called multiple cropping. As you find in your locality, some farmers grow potatoes, and in the gap of 2 rows of potatoes, they sow maize, and thus they grow more on the same land by multiple cropping. As well as some farmers sow more seeds of crops or more than one crop's seeds on the same agricultural season, and they produce more crops on the same land. The main reason why farmers are able to grow 3 different crops in a year in Palampur is due to the well-developed system of irrigation, electricity, and electricity. To grow more than one crop on a piece of land during the year is known as multiple cropping. It is the most common way of increasing production on a given piece of land. All farmers in Palampur grow at least 2 main crops. They are potatoes, Kharif like rice, Rabi, wheat, etc. They are growing potato as the 3rd crop in the past 15 years to 20 years. Thus we see that we can grow more on the same land in this way. Next, dear students, Green Revolution, which began in 1960s, in which HYV seeds or high yielding variety of seeds, chemical fertilizers have helped farmers for growing more crops on the same land, on the limited land. These HYV seeds and chemical farmers require more irrigation, more water for good yield from the farming. Thus, Green Revolution has played an important role in Palampur to increase the production activity in farming. Thus, we see that thus production is organized and land plays an important role in production. Tomorrow we will learn about the Green Revolution in details and will the land sustain or not, or how can land be sustained. About this we will discuss in the next class.